In this video, I will show you how to send money from the USA to Saudi Arabia. For doing this, personally I would use Remitly, and that's because they have great exchange rates, you don't have to pay fees on your first transfer, and they have a bunch of delivery methods. So if you want to use Remitly, just head over to remitly.com, then simply set your country to the United States, and then click on the drop down and simply type in Saudi Arabia and go to select it. Then from there, choose how much you would like to transfer. For example, I'll do $70 US. As you can see on your first transfer, you have a discount of the entire fee. So now just click on get this rate. And from there, if you don't have an account yet, just gonna click on sign up and create an account. And it's very simple. You just need to enter an email address and a password. And if you already have an account, just log in using those same credentials. Then from there, it will redirect you to Remitly. Now you can see for me it has been reset to Kenya, so just make sure it's set to Saudi Arabia. And then after that is the case, click send money. And then here make sure that the amount is set to the correct amount for you. Then you can choose a payment method. Now the fastest and cheapest way is a debit card. A bank account will take between 3 and 6 days often. But the debit card is very fast and there are no fees, so that's what I'll use. From there, just continue. Now here you can select a cash pickup option. Now for Saudi Arabia, currently the delivery methods are kind of limited. Sometimes there are more, but right now it's only cash pickup. So you will need to do a cash pickup. So just select that. From there, enter your recipient's details. Then enter the city that your recipient lives in. And then click continue. From there, go and enter their phone number. This is optional, but I would recommend it. Then here, just confirm your payment method and click continue. And then here you can add your payment details. And after clicking review details, you will then see the overview of where the money will be delivered, how much you are sending, and your own details. So just go and make sure that all of that is correct. And if it is, then go and pay for the transfer. And then the money will be on its way to the cash pickup location where your recipient can pick up the cash. So that's how to send money from the USA to Saudi Arabia. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.